Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to find a supplier and order from Alibaba. So, make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how you can find the right and genius seller on Alibaba and initiate your order. First, go to Alibaba.com's homepage and head straight to the search bar. If you already know your product, just type its name here. But if you are unsure about the product, you can explore different sections like new arrivals, top-ranked products, personal protective equipment, and drop shipping. Now that you guys have found a potential product, the first step is to examine the product image to ensure it matches what you are searching for. As you can see, for our product dog coats, for example, this supplier has multiple variations. Next thing you need to do is to check the number of years the supplier has been on Alibaba.com. This is an important part, guys. To find a reliable supplier, make sure he has been selling on Alibaba for at least 4 or 5 years, depending on the product's longevity. The longer a supplier has been on Alibaba.com, the more confidence you can have in the quality of their products and the delivery duration. So here, make sure you guys scroll down and see the complete details of a product to see the product range, certifications, information, and customer reviews. To further ensure reliability, look for suppliers who accept trade assurance. This payment method allows the platform to hold the payment until you confirm satisfaction with the received products. The next thing that you guys need to do is to visit the store of the seller to see its reviews of some other products. This will give you a better idea about how the seller is working with their other products. Additionally, make sure to check his verified badge, indicating that a third-party company has inspected the supplier. Scrolling down the supplier's page provides more details about the company, including videos of the factory, the number of employees, patents, and other related information. Use this information to assess the supplier's credibility and capability, as it is a very important part of finding the right supplier. Once you are satisfied with the store, click on the Contact Supplier button to inquire further about your specific needs. When contacting a supplier, always try to send a well-crafted message and introduce yourself as an online seller running stores on platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. While talking to a seller, make sure you guys will mention your interest in a long-term partnership and express the intention to place a trial order. Normally, starting with 15 pieces, this will make sellers be more responsive. In your message, make sure to ask important questions such as whether they accept PayPal, offer drop shipping services, accept trade assurance, and provide a product warranty, and inquire about lead times for bulk shipments. Make sure to take your time and ask each and everything about your product before initiating the purchase. Once you are done, conclude the message by requesting a total price for the trial order, including shipping and payment fees. Also, request the seller to reply as soon as possible to save your time. So, click on Send Inquiry now. I will advise you guys to copy this message and send it to multiple suppliers to compare their responses, rates, and shipment times. Remember that responsiveness and clarity in the replies are key factors in selecting the right supplier. Don't forget to negotiate payment terms that are favorable for both parties. Next, when the seller provides you with details and you are satisfied with them, you can start your order by ordering some samples. If you are satisfied with the samples and terms, proceed to place a bulk order. Make sure you guys once again to discuss shipping methods, packaging, and any customization requirements, and include payment terms and delivery times in the purchase agreement. Once your order is done, try to stay in communication with the supplier. And when you get to see the production process, monitor the progress, and ensure that the product meets your quality standards. When you guys get the products, carefully examine them to make sure they match your requirements. If you find any damage or defects, you can immediately apply for a return. But if everything looks good, go ahead and confirm that you have received the items on Alibaba. So that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.